Hello again, Year 3 Order, and welcome to our first reading skills session that we're going to be learning using online resources. Now, unlike most subjects, reading skills is going to look a little bit different at home. Unfortunately, we can't share the texts with you that we've been doing in class for our reading skills sessions, so we're going to have to do it a little bit differently. We're going to use something called read theory. And once again, I'm going to quickly share a screen with you so I can talk you through how we are going to use this and what it's going to look like. So again, please bear with me for one moment. So I'm going to give you a bit of an introduction to read theory, so we all know how to use it and how we're going to do our reading skills learning at home. Now, to get your login for Read Theory, I've set them all up. They are all ready to go. Unfortunately, I can't share them on the video. I need to email them to you individually. So to access your login to use Read Theory, please email me requesting your login details at the same email address as usual, which is order year 3 or order y3 at greenridgeacademy.co.uk. And I will send that back to you as soon as I can. And then you'll be able to log in and get cracking with the read theory. So what is read theory? I'm sure that's a question a lot of you are asking right now. We've never used this before, so how does it work? Read theory is an online program that allows pupils to access reading comprehensions appropriate to their reading level. When you log on, you will first complete a mini assessment, and it'll be about 8 questions, and it should take about 20 minutes. So slightly shorter actually than our normal reading skills session. And once you've done this mini assessment, it sees what sort of reading level you're at. And afterwards, you should get reading comprehensions that are roughly at your level. So depending how well you do on that test or on that assessment, that will determine how difficult the reading comprehensions will be afterwards. Once you've done that, every day afterwards, when you log in, you will have a short extract to read, so a short piece of text, and there will be some comprehension questions to go with that text. These don't take very long. Again, it should take you no longer than half an hour, which is our normal reading skill session. And in fact, it might take you slightly less than that if you're particularly quick at reading. And the expectation is you're going to complete one reading activity per day from Read Theory instead of doing our normal reading skills sessions. So you're still practicing those reading skills regularly every day, a bit like we would do at school, but just in a different way. Now, how to log on, this will be very important so you all know how to get onto your Read Theory account. On Google, the first thing I would do is type in the 3 words you can see on the screen. So Read Theory Login. And the top link that you should get is the one that you can see on my screen where it says login to Read Theory. And that's what you'd need to click. Once you've clicked on that, you will be directed to a page that looks a bit like this. You will need your username and your passwords to help you log in. As I said before, I need to email these to you, so please email me first on that Year 3 Order email account asking for your login details, and I'll be able to send those to you individually. And then you'll be able to log on via this link. You will then be ready to start your initial assessment. And it will look a little bit like this. So it says, let the learning begin. It tells you a little bit about the assessment. And when you're ready, you can click the I'm ready button and it will start. After this, when you log in daily, it won't look quite the same. It will give you an assignment or a short piece of text to read with those questions to go with it. Alongside this, I'll be able to track who is logged in, when they have logged in, and the difficulty of the tests being taken, and how many tests each of you have completed, as well as the scores. So I'm still keeping on top of all of these things. This isn't something you necessarily need to send in work or pictures of your learning for, because I'll be able to see all of that online, which makes it nice and easy for me to see how you're all getting on. If you do have any difficulty either accessing your account or logging in, or perhaps the tests or the comprehension activities are too easy or too difficult, please get in contact via the email beginning. Fingers crossed, they should all work wonderfully, and you should all be able to access different reading texts that will be appropriate to your reading level. I look forward to seeing how you get on Year 3 with those reading comprehensions. I look forward to seeing how well we progress through lots of them. So please continue to use those on a daily basis. and I'll be able to see that. Thank you for listening, Year 3 Order, and good luck with your reading. See you next time.